Oke everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome to my class everyone. And how do you feel today everyone?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you, sir?
Good,
Okay, good Aziz. And how about you Asep and Dimas?
very good.
Very
I'm
good.
good.
Okay. I'm good, same with you, everyone. And before we start our material, we will pray together. Pray together, begin. Finish. And then don't forget to pray to our parents. Pray to our parents. Begin. Okay, finish everyone. Um, Next slide. Okay, before we start our material, you can access the link for your attendance. I will give you times for 2 minutes.
Don't, sir.
Have you done, guys?
Don, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Don't.
Have you ever compared two things like saying your phone is faster than your friends, or maybe said something is the best? In English, we use comparative and superlative adjectives to compare people, things, or places. Today, we will learn how to use them correctly. Oke, everyone, pernahkah kalian membandingkan dua hal seperti kalian misalnya membandingkan handphone kalian dengan teman kalian? Pernahkah? Coba
Belum.
Pernah,
Aziz.
Pak.
Pernah. Coba kasih saya contoh dalam perbandingan tersebut. Bebas, silakan apa aja.
Uh, my phone is slower than my friends.
Oke, good. And then Asep,
Saya kurang paham, sir.
jadi seperti ini, pernahkah Asep membandingkan dua hal seperti misal contoh, badan saya lebih besar dari teman saya. Nah, itu sudah termasuk kepada compare two things. Seperti itu.
Oh, seperti ini bukan. Saya lebih pintar dari Dimas gitu, sir.
Bisa, betul. Correct, it's correct. Or maybe say
Ngerti,
something
sir.
is the
Terima kasih.
best. Atau mungkin mengatakan sesuatu yang paling terbaik. Seperti contoh, laptop saya yang paling canggih di dunia ini. Nah, kalian pernah nggak mengucapkan atau membandingkan hal seperti itu?
Pernah, sir.
Pernah, sir? Apa coba Asep? Give me example, please.
Saya eh, handphone saya itu yang paling mahal dibandingkan teman-teman saya dan fitur-fiturnya yang lebih canggih dibanding teman-teman saya.
Yes, betul ya. It's correct. Paham sampai sini ya?
Paham.
Oke, next. Comparative and superlative. Okay, guys, you can see the picture about the Toy Story. There is snow in here. Who's the name? Who's the name?
It Woody.
Woody. Correct, Dimas Woody. And in here, what's the difference about Woody? Yang satu kecil, yang satu besar. What is the difference?
The hate is different.
Okay, right ya. Jadi hey, it's different. Seperti yang slide sebelumnya sudah saya jelaskan, ini sebagai perbandingan dari kedua eh, orang ya. Yang tadi disebutkan bisa perbandingan dari orang, tempat, ataupun hal. Ini termasuk ke dalam contoh tersebut. Okay, this is the objective learning atau tujuan pembelajaran. The first one is identifying comparative and superlative in sentences. Jadi nanti kalian yang pertama itu disuruh untuk mengidentifikasi komparatif dan superlatif di dalam kalimat. Itu untuk tujuan pembelajaran yang pertama. And then the second one is comparing two or more objects or people using adjectives. Dan yang kedua, kalian dituntut untuk membandingkan dua atau lebih objek atau orang menggunakan adjectives. And then the last is composing comparative sentences correctly. Dan yang ketiga, nanti kalian disuruh untuk menyusun kalimat komparatif dengan benar. Okay guys, in this slide, you have to watch the video, but before it, um, please wait, because still loading. Yeah, you can see guys.
Yes, I can, sir.
Okay.
Halo my student, kali ini kita akan membahas tentang comparative degree dalam bahasa Inggris. Comparative degree adalah salah satu bagian dari degrees of comparison yang menyatakan sifat atau keterangan dari suatu hal yang lebih unggul ketika dibandingkan dengan hal yang lainnya. Contohnya, gedung A lebih tinggi daripada gedung beautiful, more beautiful, the most beautiful. Careful, more careful, the most careful. Expensive, more expensive, the most expensive. Important, more important, the most important. Interesting, more interesting, the most interesting. Crowded, more crowded, the most crowded. Intelligent, more intelligent, the most intelligent. Contoh kalimat comparative degree, 2 syllables. Learning grammar is more boring than everything. Mathematics is more difficult than English. Roses are more beautiful than tulips. My mother drives the car more careful than I do. Beef is more expensive than chicken. Nothing more important than my mother in this world. Nothing more interesting than English at school. The market is more crowded than usual because it's Sunday. Dogs are more intelligent than cats. Nah, itulah penjelasan singkat dan beberapa contoh kalimat dari comparative degree. Silakan bertanya di kolom komentar jika ada yang ingin kalian tanyakan. See you again next time and goodbye.
Okay. Jadi cari komparatif di dalam video tadi apa? And then find the superlative adjective in this video. Kemudian yang kedua, temukan kalimat superlatif di dalam video tersebut ada apa aja. And then the last one, what lesson you can learn from this video. I will give you time for 3 minutes for the answer. One time's up. So, who's the answer first? Who's will the answer first?
I want to try, sir.
Okay, Aziz, go ahead.
Um, the comparative adjective in the video that I find was um, Rihanna is taller than Yuki, and uh, my dad is stronger than my brother. And
Okay.
then uh, for the superlative, he's the fastest runner in the world.
Hmm.
And what lesson that I learned from the video? I learned many new vocabularies, and also I learned about more about comparative adjective and superlative adjective.
Yeah. There is. And then, any opinions, Aziz? Or just enough?
Enough, sir.
Okay, thank you, Aziz. The answer is very, very good, and the answer is correct. And right now, Aziz, you know about the comparative and superlative, right? And then you get many vocabularies after you watch the video. Okay, everyone. There is any opinions or no?
I
I
think
want to
it's
try, sir.
It's enough, right? Okay. If there is no other opinion, I will continue. Okay, it's this learning activity. Student do the exercise sheets that have been given. Do the exercise by yourself. Do you do your exercise 50 minute 15 minutes. So guys, saya akan memberikan lembar kerja untuk kalian kerjakan, and then akan kasih waktu sekitar 15 menit untuk pengerjaannya. Dan ini dia pengerjaannya sebentar. Kalian tulis di kertas selembar, lalu nanti jika sudah kalian jawab sesuai dengan jawaban yang eh, diperintahkan. Tulis nama lengkap kalian, kelas, dan tanggal. Kemudian lengkapi kalimat berikut dengan komparatif atau superlatif yang benar. Nah, nomor satu, my house is bla 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 large than yours. Nomor dua, this is book is the bla 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 of all. Number three, he runs bla 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 than his brother. Dan kemudian em, kalimat yang kedua adalah buatlah dua kalimat menggunakan satu komparatif adjektif, dua superlatif adjektif. Contoh kalimat yang memakai komparatif. My bag is heavier than yours. Silahkan, selamat mengerjakan. If you confused, you can ask to me, guys. Okay, if you have done, you can present by yourself, uh, person by person. The first one is Dimas. Go ahead.
um, for the first question is it's more. Uh, and then the second question, create to oh yeah to comparative. The first sentence is my my phone is cheaper than everyone in my class. And the second sentence is mm, my hand is bigger my my friend hand. And
Okay.
then for the superlative superlative, mountain Everest is the highest mountain in the world. And the second one, U- Usain Bolt is one of the fastest runner in the world. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Dimas. Very good. Very good. And yuk kita bahas bersama-sama. And then the correct answer is number one is my house is larger than yours. Why larger? Because the adjective is one syllable. One syllable is just add er. Yeah, it's just er. So the correct answer is my house is larger than yours. He runs faster than his brother because fast is one syllable. Next, guys. Then presenting. Tadi baru Dimas yang pertama. Sekarang Aziz. Coba jawaban dari Aziz gimana tentang yang LKPD tadi. To present your result in front of.
Yes, sir. Um, that was the funniest movie I've watched. And then uh, he was the fastest runner in the class. And then uh, he is the tallest in the class.
Okay, good, Aziz. Thank you, Aziz. And then the last one in Asep. Go ahead, Asep.
Okay, thank you, sir. We discuss about the corporative and superlative degree, and our answer is uh, wait, sir. I have lagging.
Okay.
He is the fastest runner in the class for the superlative. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world, and that was the funniest movie I've watched. That's enough, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Asep. The good answer. Then so next. Uh, what lesson you can learn from today's material, everyone? And any question about the material day? If you are still confused, you can ask to me about the comparative and superlative.
I think it's enough, sir.
Is enough, okay? If there is no question, maybe I will continue. The definition about comparative and superlative. Comparative adjective is used to compare two people, animals, things, or places. And for superlative adjective is used to show the highest degree when comparing three or more things. Jadi, comparative adjective itu biasa digunakan untuk membandingkan dua hal, baik itu orang, binatang, tempat, atau hal. Seperti tadi contohnya, em, misalkan my hair is longer than my friends. Nah, itu termasuk pada comparative adjective. Untuk superlatif biasanya digunakan untuk memperlihatkan yang paling. Jadi intinya itu kalau komparatif itu lebih dan kalau superlatif itu paling. Nah, di sini is used to show, sorry, is used to show the highest degree when comparing three or more things. Jadi membandingkan tiga atau lebih. Seperti contoh, em, Asep siswa paling tinggi di kelas. Itu kan membandingkannya lebih dari 3 sampai 4 karena di dalam kelas itu tidak hanya 3 sampai 4 tapi lebih dari itu. Maksudnya seperti itu. Bisa dipahami, teman-teman? Ya, next.
Terima
Oke,
kasih,
sir.
Sir.
Nah, ini general structure. Comparative for the sentence. Rumusnya itu adjective plus er and then. And then comparative for long sentence. Rumusnya more plus adjective and then. Nah, maksudnya apa? Comparative for short sentence itu untuk yang one syllable atau satu suku kata. Dan ini untuk yang dua suku kata. Dan kemudian superlative for short sentence atau yang satu suku kata. Rumusnya the plus adjective plus est. Seperti the fastest yang asalnya fast superlatifnya jadi the fastest seperti itu. Kemudian yang superlatif for long sentence itu rumusnya yang pertamanya the most plus adjective seperti lanjut. Okay, there is example comparative. This is the some example. The first one is this movie is better than the last one. My house is bigger than yours. This book is thicker than the other. The fourth one is today is colder than yesterday. The fifth is English is easier than Chinese. And for superlative, the first one is that is the tallest building in the city. He is the most talented player on the team. And then this is the fastest car in the world. Number four, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. And the last one is this is the cheapest restaurant in town. And then this is link for your reflection. Ini link untuk kalian latihan. eh saya ingin memberikan latihan sampai mana kalian paham tentang komparatif dan superlatif. And I will give you time for 5 minutes to access the link. Silakan teman-teman.
Don't, Sir.
Oke. Sudah bisa, Asep? Sudah bisa dimainkan?
Sudah, Sir.
Oke. Jika bisa dimainkan, akan seperti ini tampilannya. Nah, ini ada pertanyaan which sentence use the correct comparative form. Komparatifnya yang mana? Kalian bisa pilih di sini. Nah, gitu seperti itu singkatnya. Okay, you done?
Dan
Oke, jika sudah mengerjakan word wall, and then thank you for your coming with me for the material today. And if you have a question for comparative and superlative, you can ask to me. Sampai sini ada pertanyaan nggak?
Enough, sir.
I
Enough.
think it's enough for today.
Paham ya, semuanya paham bagaimana cara membedakan komparatif dan superlatif. Jika satu suku kata, bagaimana dua suku kata, bagaimana. Oke, baik. Jika tidak ada pertanyaan, cukupkan sekian. Terima kasih atas waktunya. Semoga ilmunya bermanfaat. And don't forget to saying hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Oke, thank you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wassalamualaikum. Thank you, sir.
Waalaikumsalam.